based on the theme Health and Sanitation. We are from Sarvodaya National Public School. So, now to speak about what is menstruation. Menstruation is a normal physiological process which indicates the beginning of the reproductive period. But still, unfortunately, it is considered as an unclean phenomenon in the Indian society.
So we both have planned to design an app which will be having an opportunity to every of the women in rural or urban too, and to express their feelings, and easily they can solve off their problems in few minutes with the experienced women doctors.
So now to speak about the problem statement.
Discrimination against the menstruating woman is widely spread out in India, where periods have long been a taboo and considered impure. They are often excluded from social and religious events and denied entry into temples and shrines. Even they are kept out of the business.
So, given the lack of compensation, according to one study, only 71% of the adolescent girls in India are aware of the menstruation, are unaware of the menstruation until they get menses. So, menstruation also has its impact on human rights. Menstruation has its effect on human rights because, as we know, basic human rights indicate that we have freedom to do anything we want. But this menstruation damages the human right because the women are forced to menstruate in a place where she is not free to do anything she is. So, especially during her periods, how are the women differentiated?
They are often excluded from social and religious events and denied entry into the temples and shrines, and even kept out of business.
So, when it comes to the education of urban and rural, as per education has its utmost importance in the present society, so we have decided to concentrate on the children and make them understand the advantages of using sanitary pads instead of using unhygienic garbage. So, the statistics of usage of sanitary pads in home pads. Fortunately, in urban areas, about 64% of the women use hygienic products, whereas the remaining 45% use home pads. When it comes to rural, it has a complete different scenario. As in rural areas, only 36% of women use hygienic products, and the remaining 54% is non-hygienic products. So, why are sanitary pads?
They are safer to use during heavy bleeding, and a sanitary pad is preferable in a heavy menstrual.
So, unlike any other equipment, these are easily available in any other shop and they have low risk of developing leaks. So,
Our app flow wherein the woman can freely share their problems by answering the questions which are given by the app, and immediately after answering the questions she will be given some safety measures and will be given some information about the woman doctor.
So, to speak about the advantages of our app, if the woman is suffering